Today, I'm going to teach you how to share a Strava activity on Instagram. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once the app is open and ready to go, I'm heading down to the bottom navigation bar where I can see a few different tabs. From there, I'm clicking on You. This takes me to my personal profile area where I can view all my own activities and stats. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm looking at the top of the screen and clicking on Activities. This is where all my recorded workouts and exercises are listed, so I can scroll through and find exactly what I want to share. Now I'm scrolling through my list of activities until I find the one I want to post on Instagram. Once I see it, I'm clicking on that specific activity to open it up and view the full details. With the activity now open, I'm looking for the share icon. It's usually pretty easy to spot near the top of the screen, so I'm clicking on the share icon. As soon as I do that, a menu pops up showing me different sharing options. Right here, I can see that I have the option to share it on Instagram stories or Instagram messages. Both of these let me send the activity directly to Instagram without having to save anything manually. For this example, I'm clicking on Instagram Stories. This is the option that lets me post the activity as a story so my followers can see it for 24 hours. Once I click that, Strava starts preparing the activity to send over to Instagram, so now I'm waiting until it loads. This usually takes just a few seconds, but it depends on your connection and how much data the activity has. During this time, Strava is formatting the image and details so everything looks good when it shows up in Instagram. Once that's done, it will direct me straight to my Instagram stories. So the app automatically switches over, and I'm now looking at the Instagram story editor with my Strava activity already loaded in. The activity shows up with the map, distance, time, and any other stats that Strava decided to include. Everything is already formatted and ready to post. Now that it's fully loaded, I'm clicking Your Story. This is the button that actually publishes the activity to my Instagram story so my followers can view it. As soon as I click that, Instagram starts uploading the story. And once it finishes uploading, the activity is now live on my Instagram story for everyone to see. And that's it, the activity is posted and visible to my followers for the next 24 hours. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.